In January 2024, Samsung revealed two high-end flagship smartphones from their S series, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Users that prefer a more compact device are the target market for the S24 Plus, which has a little smaller form factor than the S24 Ultra. For those who prefer a larger screen and more sophisticated features, the S24 Ultra is a good option because it has a larger display dimension and more functions. Measuring 158.5 by 75.9 by 7.7 mm and weighing 197 grams, the S24 Plus is a device. It features an aluminum frame with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on both the front and rear. It includes an Armor Aluminum 2 frame for improved drop and scratch resistance, and it is IP68 dust and water resistant. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra weighing 233 grams, the S24 Ultra has dimensions of 162.3 by 79 by 8.6 mm. Its titanium frame and glass front and rear are protected by Gorilla Glass armor. It also comes with a stylus that integrates with Bluetooth and is IP68 dust and water resistant. Both variants, as you can see, include glass on the front and back that is IP68 dust and water resistant. Dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X screens with a refresh rate of 120Hz, support for HDR10+, and an always-on display feature are features shared by the S24 Plus and S24 Ultra. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus with a pixel density of 509 ppi and a resolution of 1440 by 3088, the S24 Plus boasts a 6.7-inch display. The S24 Ultra has a bigger 6.8-inch display with 501 ppi pixel density and a resolution of 1440 by 3088 pixels. Both versions come with several storage options and the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU. Depending on the location, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or Exynos 2400 chipset powers the S24 Plus. It features a 256 or 512 GB storage capacity in addition to an octa-core processor. There is a 4900 mAh non-removable battery included with the S24 Plus. With an octa-core processor, the S24 Ultra is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset as well. Storage choices include 256 512 GB and 1 TB. The larger 5000 mAh non-removable battery is found in the S24 Ultra. Both versions contain a 12 megapixels front-facing camera and can shoot 8K videos. A 50 megapixels primary camera, a 10 megapixels telephoto camera with a 3x optical zoom, and a 12 megapixels ultra-wide camera make up the triple camera configuration on the S24 Plus. It has a 12 megapixels front-facing camera and enables 8K video recording. With a gigantic 200 megapixels primary camera, a 50 megapixels periscope telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom, a 10 megapixels telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a 12 megapixels ultra-wide camera, the S24 Ultra sports a quad camera system. It boasts a 12 megapixels front-facing camera and supports 8K video recording as well. For those who want a smaller form factor, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus offers a more compact appearance with a little lower display dimension. It has a robust appearance, a triple camera configuration that is adaptable, and performance on par with flagship devices. For consumers looking for a premium smartphone at a lower price and with a more manageable dimension, the S24 Plus is a fantastic choice. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, on the other hand, is distinguished by its larger display dimension, sophisticated photography capabilities, and extra features like the built-in stylus. It provides the best performance, the most storage choices, and a bigger battery life. For those who need a larger screen and sophisticated functionality for photography and productivity, the S24 Ultra is perfect. Thank you for watching this comparison. If you have any questions, I'll be waiting for them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.